So, hello dear students. So, in the last class, I started the chapter linear equation in one variable, and I have explained what is linear and what is equation and what is one variable, isn't it? I hope you have gone through the last video and understood the concept. So, dear students, the standard form of a linear equation in one variable, standard standard form of linear equation, standard form of a linear equation in one variable, is given as ax plus b is equals to 0. Here ax plus b is equals to 0 is a standard form of a linear equation in one variable. Where is the one variable? Here, that x is one variable, okay, and a is a coefficient. A is a coefficient of whom? Of x, of that variable x, okay, and here x is the variable, and here b, we call this b as a constant. B is a constant. Okay, dear students, here it shows that it is equals to 0. So the whole equation is equals to 0 is a standard form. Okay. So I said x is a variable and can have any values to balance the equation. So dear students, now solving equations, that is from your textbook 3.2 main, not the exercise, 3.2 main, solving the equations which have linear equations, expressions on the one side, linear expression on the one side and the number on the other side. For example, 2x minus 3 is equals to 7. This is a linear expression on the one side, means on LHS they have given us a linear expression and a number or a constant on the other side, that is on RHS, with this equal to sign. Here this expression is for solving. Solving means we have to find the solving for x, we have to find the value of x. So how to solve this equation? Now, how to solve a linear equation to find the value of x? Let us see. There are two methods to solve. The first method is 2x minus 3 is equals to 7. What we need? We need the value of x, right? So dear students, what we have here? 2x minus 3 is equals to 7. What is the meaning of equals to sign? It means that LHS is equals to RHS. I will take one more example. If you have something like a is equals to 5, what do you mean by this? This means that the value of a is 5, isn't it? So if I have like a is equals to 5 plus 3, what is the meaning of this? The value of a is equals to 5 plus 3, that is 8. Got it? Or dear students, another way is, if a plus 1 is equals to 4, can you tell the value of a is 4 now? No, exactly not, because we have a plus 1 here. So how to solve this? There is a method, balancing, because it is equal, right? Equal means both the sides are equal. We have to balance them. To get the value of a, what we have extra here? We have plus 1 extra. What we have? Plus 1 as extra. We have to remove that plus 1. How to remove? The method is subtract both side by 1. What it means? It means that we have to subtract both side by 1. We have to subtract both side by 1. See what happens now. A plus 1 is equals to 4, already we have here. Why we need to subtract both sides? Because it has a equals to. If I subtract here, it becomes unbalanced, right? To balance it, whatever we do in the equals to, we have to do on the both sides. So subtracting 1 on both sides. So what happens now? Plus 1 minus 1 becomes 0. So that is a plus 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. So a plus 0 is a is equals to 3. This is the one method. Got it? Let us see once again with the question I have taken as example. 2x minus 3 is equals to 7. Dear students, here the value of 2x minus 3 is equals to 7. Understand? The value of whole 2x plus 2x minus 3 is equals to 7. I need only the value of x. To get the value of x, first I have this extra minus 3. I want to remove this minus 3. What I can do? Subtract. What happens if you subtract? Already we have minus, right? Is it correct to subtract to remove this? No, exactly, very good. Not subtraction. We have to add. Add 3 on both side. Add 3 on both side. That is, we have the equation 2x minus 3 is equals to 7. So if we add 3 on both sides, what happens now? 2x plus 3 minus 3 becomes 0. 7 plus 3 becomes 10. So now 2x plus 0 is 2x is equals to 10. So now I have an equation 2x is equals to 10. But I need the value of x. What should I do? How to remove this 2 which is in multiplication? Which is in multiplication with x, right? How can I remove? Divide both side by 2. So what happens then? 2x divided by 2 is equals to 10 by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are cancel. 2 ones are 2 5s are. So x is equals to 5. Got it? Dear students, this is the one method solving by balancing on both the sides. Okay, so what is the another method we can solve? Look at here, the second method. If we have 2x minus 3 is equals to 7. So dear students, 2x and 3 is the unlike terms because he has a x, he don't have anything. Those are unlike, they are called as unlike terms. Just to remember, you can say he has a chocolate, he don't have a chocolate. So these two cannot be friends. So they cannot be subtracted, they cannot be added. In that way you can remember. Okay. So 7 and minus 3 both are the like terms. So in between we have a equals to. If I send the minus 3 from LHS to RHS, what did happen? What happens? The sign of the number changes. The minus 3 becomes plus 3. 2x, I am sending this minus 3 onto the RHS. It becomes 7 plus 3. That minus 3 becomes plus 3 because it crosses the equals to. Got it? So 2x is equals to 7 plus 3 10. Now x is equals to 10. Look at here students, 2x is nothing but 2 into 10. If anything is in multiplication, if it goes from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, or you can say if it jumps the equals to sign, the multiplication becomes division. Multiplications becomes division. So x is equals to 2 1s are 2 5s are, x is equals to 5. This is the another method of solving. Okay, so let us follow the second method of solving the equations. So now let us get into the exercise 3.1. The first main here is solve the following. Solve the following. So the first question here is x minus 2 is equals to 7. This is similar to the above question, right? Yes. Solution: x minus 2 is equals to 7. Now what we have to do first to find the value of x? Remove this minus 2, that I can send this from LHS to RHS. What happens? The minus 2 becomes plus 2. X is equals to 7. Minus 2 becomes plus 2. So now it is x is equals to 7 plus 2 is 9. Right? Therefore the value of x is 9. Second question, y plus 3 is equals to 10. Solution, y plus 3 is equals to 10. If I send this plus 3 to RHS, what it happens? It is plus 3. If it goes to RHS, it becomes minus 3. The sign changes. Y is equals to 10 minus 3 is 7. The value of y is 7. Next, third question, 6 is equals to z plus 2. So who is the variable here? Z is the variable. We need to find the value of z. So in the above questions we were sending from LHS to RHS. Now in this question we will send 4. To find the value of z, we will send 2 to LHS. So it becomes 6. It is a plus 2. It becomes minus 2 is equals to z. 6 minus 2 is 4 is equals to z, or you have to say that z is equals to 4. Okay. Next, fourth question, 3 by 7 plus x is equals to 17 by 7. So to find the value of x, we will send the term 3 by 7 to RHS. So x is equals to 17 by 7. It becomes minus 3 by 7. Dear students, now we have to do the subtraction. While doing the subtraction of a fractions, we have to know whether the denominators are same or not. If the denominators are same, there is no question of worrying. Just put the denominator 7 and 17 minus 3. 17 minus 3. If the denominators are not there, we have to take LCM. I will explain that if we get a such question. So 17 minus 3 is how much? 14 divided by 7. Now 14 divided by 7 is divisible. Can we divide 14 by 7? Yes, 7 ones are 7 twos are, which is equals to 2. Understood? So now the fifth question, 6x is equals to 12. So dear students, here you see that 6x, it is in multiplication, right? It is in 6 into x is equals to 12. What did I say? When it is in multiplication, what happens when it go to RHS? Yes, very good. It becomes divide, right? Now is this divisible? Can we divide 12 by 6? Yes, 6 ones are 6 twos are. So x is equals to 2. Got it? Okay. Now the sixth question. T divided by 5 is equals to 10. So we need the value of t, but it has the divided by 5. What we can do? So from, if it is a divide, if you send this to RHS, it becomes multiplication, right? So t divided by 5 is equals to 10. If it goes to RHS, t is equals to 10 into 5. So t is equals to 10 5s are 50. Understood? Okay. There are six more questions of the similar type in the exercise 3.1. Please do it, solve it, and send me by evening. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.